Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we have s squared minus 1. Next we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s where we have 2s. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. Later that we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 gone here. And we have u equals to 0 squared minus 1. And we have u equals to negative number 1. Because we need to change the bounds. So we need to put this bound gone here. And we can find the value of u. When s equals to number 1, that is from here. And I will put number 1 gone here. And we have u equals to number 0. Because 1 squared minus 1, we have 0. Next, because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Number 0 we change by negative number 1. Number 1 we change by number 0. This one we change by u. The s we change by the u over number 2. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to arctan of u. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. dv that is about 1 over 2 du. And we have v equals to u over 2. So we have t multiplied by v. And I will put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive, to number 0. Minus, we have dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration from negative number 1 to number 0. And we have u over 1 plus u squared du. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus u squared. And we put the bounds from negative number 1 to number 0. Because if we do first derivative of this one, we got this one in here. And now we put number 0 and negative number 1 gone here. So this one we got 0. This one we have negative b over 8. Ln number 1 we got 0. This one we have 1 over 2 ln number 2. Now we need to simplify. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.